Render Forest.
Hello guys, this is me Sunny Plays, and today I'm just going to show you what I use for my intros. So right here I'm going to type it up. I use renderforest.com. I like doing it for free because I just don't want to spend money because this is only my first year doing this, and there's lots of intros you can choose. So there's 3D logo reveals. Let's check some. There's this one. And then there's lots of this. How about I try particle burst? And as you see, the duration is 7 seconds. So that's a 7 seconds logo version. And how about the text version? That's probably going to be it. You can't even see it, but I'm pretty sure it is going to be good. So there it is. Renderforest.com is loading the intro. So this is the text here. So here I'm going to use Sunny Plays. And then I'm just going to type subscribe. And then the type of color we want. I think the red would be good. I don't know. I exactly don't know what would be good, but maybe the red one. And now we are going to choose our music. We can choose the music. And then there is a recommended music. Try using the recommend music. You could also upload your music, but I'm just going to use like their music because I yet don't know how to like upload it. This is good. This is good. I should use that one. And maybe you could upload your voiceover, but I'm not going to do it. So here is a preview. So here it is. It's going to prepare the media. So how's Render Forest videos for inspiration? That's probably the videos. I just like the intros. It's good. The intros are good. It's exporting it. It will take a long time to do it. I'll just pause it. So here's my intro. So there you go. Probably this one would be good. Let's And probably if you want to use it in my video, then probably you want to download it. And there it's going to be in your file. So this is what I use for making my intro. And I probably use an intro for my video. I'm just making one to show you how I do it. Well, anyways, subscribe for more how-tos. And of course, do what it says over there. Subscribe. Also, please leave a like to know that you like it, so I can know you like it. And then turn on notifications so you will never miss a video I post. So well, anyways, and we'll see you next time.